Imagine a living digital representation of your operations process, where data and insights are actively shared between locations to drive collaboration and enable personnel at all levels to make informed decisions. This living data helps share knowledge and optimize performance to improve outcomes across engineering, operations, and maintenance through fully contextualized information. This is what we mean by asset to enterprise, the implementation of Industry 4.0, streamlining your digital transformation. It begins with the asset journey. Each asset moves through lifecycle stages, from engineer to operate to maintain. Within each stage, there are common requirements, such as applications and information necessary to achieve objectives, schematics for engineering, temperature parameters for operations, predictive failure analysis for maintenance. As organizations undergo digital transformation of their operations, it becomes essential to manage the activities and data generated throughout this lifecycle in a way that promotes collaboration and informed decisions across all locations, while maintaining momentum and reliability. Asset to Enterprise is a comprehensive data management strategy for operations technology. It combines various industrial software systems to create an information infrastructure that unites data and actions, configuring solutions to target specific pain points within industrial organizations. This provides proven results and can develop realistic return on investment models specific to your operations. Engineering software tools capture and manage data at the design and build stages. This ensures reduced effort through standards, native collaboration and data sharing, work execution management, and the creation of 3D models and engineering templates. Operations software tools focus on the data generated by assets related to their status, progress, and health. These tools provide greater situational awareness, operational context, production efficiency, and information accessibility. Maintenance software tools establish proactive asset performance through efficient task scheduling, spare part inventory management, and equipment analysis. This drives documented procedures, predicted behavior, and minimized downtime with overall improved performance. These applications manage, optimize, and visualize the many tasks, processes, and actionable insights between the equipment assets and the enterprise ERP layers of the business. This structured methodology facilitates the contextual transformation of data as it moves vertically and horizontally in an organization, and it makes it easy to start small within an area of need or expand quickly as business priorities change. Together, these systems provide a unified operations environment, from asset to enterprise, that exchanges knowledge to create context, a big picture understanding of how the production process is performing. This information empowers the business to run efficiently and reveals opportunities to reduce costs and increase productivity. Contact Industrial Software Solutions to learn more about how Asset to Enterprise can work for you.